Part 2. Still bad storms out there. We're lucky we did not get a bad tornado. Well, for some of you it's unlucky, but it's unlucky for us. This tornado did not hit this area. A warning didn't even hit this area. The signs didn't even go off. The storms are severe though, that's great. And looks like that might be over. Better as we think. The storm is pushing southeast until it switches. I think he probably pushes and makes sure I don't get caught. It looks like it's slowing down, everybody. I think we do not have a lot of wind. 12-1 Michiana 2.
I think I'm fine. I gotta be real careful. Keep playing games with this shit.
Montville and Whitepigeon between now and 12:37. Also, Twin Lakes at 12:53. This is moving into the Scott LaGrange County as well. We may have a warning issued here shortly for LaGrange County. Diane Daniels joins us now. And Diane, what kind of information do you have?
Well, we've been getting all kinds of calls in the newsroom, Rick, and some of the latest we've received, James Kaufman from Simonton Lake in Elkhart County called at County Road 9 and County Road 4.
The only thing I got going for me is that I was in industry. See, I can build myself, but if I'd have been an office person...
He's been talking about storms a lot. I don't know why he's worried. I'm not worried.
I'm a little lazy at home, but I like to show off at work. I bust my ass.
Twin Lakes Road at M62 next to Lindy's Restaurant. So folks who might be familiar with that landmark probably would know that area. And obviously, those are areas you would want to steer clear of if you have to travel, and certainly you should be in your basement right now and not even thinking about traveling. So those are some of the most recent ones. I can't say that we've gotten anything, which is good news, that's highly dramatic, but we certainly are monitoring the phone.
12:30 a.m.
And we will get you any more up-to-date information on storm reports just as soon as we get those into the newsroom.
Diane Daniels in the WSBT newsroom. Diane,
I'm trying to listen to this.
Thank you so much, Diane Daniels, in our newsroom tonight. We're continuing to track these storms as they move across the area. Got an email from Stevensville that they think there was a tornado up there. I believe that to be very true. An email that power is out in Elkhart, Northland Toll Road. This is an area that's
watch till 5
right now. And again, a reminder, if
I just woke up at 10 that night.
Listen to us on one of our radio stations. WSBT AM, that's News Talk 960, Cat Country 99.9, that's North Sunny 101.5. WSBT Storm Tracker HD continuing to show a line of big thunderstorms moving across northern Indiana and southwest lower Michigan. We continue with tornado warnings that are in.
A warning did not issue. It's unbelievable. I cannot believe that is not severe.
Under a tornado warning. I don't know if that's right or not, but it doesn't.
Let's end up getting a warning. Why about now?
Here are some problems. I've been taking care of Knox earlier with some
if we all know 12-1 east, we're going to dig enough apart, but right now.
See what we have here from Elkhart. High heavy rain near Simonton Lake. Also,
we do not get, which is not severe, it's just expired.
We can't do it.
Cass County of some strong gusty winds.
So wow.
Trying to multitask here, you guys.
All these hopes going to slam out to it, and all the shitting that did not happen. It's just a freaking storm.
We still have a tornado warning that's in effect for Stark County. Let's go see what's happening with that. As of 12:25, strong rotation here, Knox. So
yes, but God.
Wow. Okay.
I don't know how much he drank, but he was acting so weird yesterday. Oh God, I hope he didn't help me. Winds are gone, the rain's gone. I think this is over. Uh-oh. Looks like somebody lost power back there. Oh shoot, it's all black back there. Power just went out back there. The power just went, oh, over there as well. That's a huge flash right back there. Oh, I think all the power factors just went out. Well, guys, it's not a biggie. Boo! Not a big storm. All the hopes of the free, of the home of the brave. Ah, feels nice outside now. Guess what? It actually feels nice outside. I really want to go check out the damage. Oh no, signs are going off in Elkhart County.
I think you had a little trouble controlling anymore, but that's fine.
I think this storm wasn't big enough to get a tornado. Lucky for us, everybody around the city. Not a biggie like it's not a biggie like everyone else. Like Nickelbush says. West Nickelbush said it was a 12 south and north. We're in the hole. No, certainly this stuff has popped up, and they're not interested in warnings. It should, because last time it happened right there back in 2008. All right, new warning.
We'll see who wins in the end.
Now what they're saying?
You did all that, and you were so sweet. My little angel.
Not my answer.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, northern Large County, Indiana, southwestern Branch County and southwest.
That's Michigan, not Indiana.
St. Joseph County in southwest Michigan, and for 1 a.m.
How could Elkhart got 12 if we don't? It causes the same storm. That is the most weirdest thing ever. Part 3 coming up.
And moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted.
We're gonna get some more weather updates.